Today I am going to show you how to make fat crispy chicken roll at your home. Chicken roll can be prepared by using boneless chicken with mixed vegetables and small amount of spices. At first, I am boiling the chicken so that the bones can be taken out easily with our hands. Before preparing the dough, I am boiling 2 cups of milk, squeezing a few drops of lime juice on the boiled milk, which will be required for preparing the dough. Now I am preparing a dough using whole wheat flour and mixing baking powder for making the parathas fat and softer. Instead of water, I am using milk with lime juice to prepare the dough. I am also cutting beans and carrots into small pieces. After preparing the dough, keeping it aside by covering it for around 30 minutes, cutting small amount of cabbage. Peeling small amount of garlic, ginger, and onions. Using the right amount of spices can give the roll a good taste, but if we use the spice wrongly, the flavor in the chicken roll can get lost. Taking out the bone from the chicken after boiling it. After heating the pan, I am pouring small amount of cooking oil and frying the onions. Now cooking the vegetables for a few minutes. Adding small amount of salt for added taste. Pouring small amount of tomato chili sauce and soy sauce. Now adding the cabbage. Adding small amount of jeera powder and dhania powder. Adding the boneless chicken and cook it till it get cooked properly. Preparing the parathas using a wooden roller. Cooking it, and you can see the parathas becoming fat on heating and cooking it. Applying cheese on the parathas and adding the chicken with the veggies. Roll it, wrap it with a white clean paper, and serve it. Eat it hot if you want to enjoy the crispy taste. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.
This is very tasty with chicken, boneless chicken.